Good morning, guys. This is today's top 3 draws. I've taken my time to select these 3 draws for you guys today. So let's get started. The first game we have today on our draw ticket is a game in Iran Super League where Sanad Abadan is taking on Foulad Kousest, and my prediction here is full-time draw. The next game we have is in Cameroon Premier League where Apaches D Ufo is taking on Avion Academy. My prediction is full-time draw. As you know, we have a premium channel where we show us on daily basis to our subscribers. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Okay, guys, the last game we have today is in Uganda where Bright Star is taking on Express FC, and my prediction here is full-time draw, and that gives us a total of 22 odds, 3 draws in total. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportbet. Don't forget to share this channel and also hit the like button. If you are new, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss all these football predictions.